Welcome to our exciting journey through the Philippines, a tropical paradise that boasts not only stunning beaches and vibrant culture, but also a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll take you on a captivating tour of both iconic spots and lesser-known attractions that showcase the true beauty of this archipelago. From the breathtaking landscapes of Palawan to the colorful streets of Vigan, we'll highlight unique locations that offer a glimpse into the rich history and diverse culture of the Filipino people. As we explore these remarkable destinations, you'll learn about the fascinating stories behind each place, making your travel experience even more enriching. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip to the Philippines, this video aims to inspire you to step off the beaten path and uncover the hidden wonders that often go unnoticed. We'll also delve into some of the country's most famous landmarks, like the stunning chocolate hills of Bohol and the pristine shores of Boracay, while ensuring we shine a light on those secret spots that locals cherish. So get ready to pack your bags and embark on an adventure that promises to be both engaging and informative. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the Philippines, and who knows, you might just find your next travel destination among these hidden gems and iconic spots. Let's dive in. As we embark on this journey through the Philippines, we can't overlook the iconic spots that serve as windows into the nation's rich history and vibrant culture. One of the most significant landmarks is Intramuros, the historic walled city in Manila. Built during the Spanish colonial period, Intramuros is a testament to the country's colonial past, featuring cobblestone streets, centuries-old churches, and the impressive Fort Santiago. As you stroll through its walls, you can almost hear the echoes of history, making it a must-visit for anyone wanting to understand the Philippines' journey. Another landmark that holds immense historical significance is Rizal Park, also known as Luneta Park. This sprawling green space is dedicated to the national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, whose writings inspired the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule. The park is not just a place for relaxation, it's a symbol of freedom and patriotism, where visitors can reflect on the sacrifices made for the nation's independence. The monument of Rizal stands proudly at its center, reminding us of the importance of cultural heritage and the values that shaped the Philippines. As we explore these iconic spots, we encourage you to appreciate the stories they tell and the cultural heritage they represent. Each location is a piece of the puzzle that forms the identity of the Filipino people. So let's dive deeper into these historical treasures and discover how they continue to influence the Philippines today. In the Philippines, beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, lie hidden gems that reveal the breathtaking beauty of nature. One such marvel is the Banaue rice terraces, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Carved into the mountains over 2,000 years ago by the Ifugao people, these terraces are not only a stunning sight, but also a testament to sustainable farming practices. As you stand amidst the lush green fields, you can feel the tranquility of the landscape, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Another hidden treasure is Malapascua Island, a small paradise known for its pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. This lesser-known destination offers crystal-clear waters ideal for diving and snorkeling, where you can encounter thresher sharks and colorful coral reefs. The island's serene atmosphere makes it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection, allowing visitors to connect with nature in a truly meaningful way. As we unveil these natural wonders, we encourage you to embrace ecotourism and responsible travel practices. By choosing to visit these hidden gems, you not only support local communities but also help preserve the environment for future generations. Remember to leave no trace, respect local cultures, and engage with the natural surroundings in a sustainable manner. So let's embark on this adventure together, discovering the Philippines' best-kept secrets and appreciating the stunning landscapes that make this country a true paradise for nature lovers. Welcome to a flavorful journey through the Philippines, where culinary delights await at every corner. Filipino cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, influenced by various cultures and traditions. One of the most beloved dishes is adobo, a savory stew made with marinated meat, typically chicken or pork, simmered in a rich blend of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and spices. Each region has its own twist on this classic, making it a must-try for any food lover. Another iconic dish is sinigang, a tangy soup made with tamarind and a variety of vegetables, often featuring pork or shrimp. The refreshing sourness of sinigang is perfect for the tropical climate, offering a comforting taste of home. To truly immerse yourself in Filipino cuisine, visiting local markets and food festivals is essential. Markets like the Salcedo Saturday Market in Makati or the Farmers Market in Quezon City are bustling hubs where you can sample street food, fresh produce, and artisanal products. Food festivals, such as the Karayawan Festival in Davao, celebrate the rich culinary heritage of the Philippines, showcasing regional specialties and traditional cooking methods. We encourage you to explore the diverse flavors of the Philippines, from the sweet and savory to the spicy and sour. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the culture and history of the islands. So, whether you're dining at a local eatery or trying your hand at cooking Filipino dishes at home, let your taste buds guide you on this delicious adventure through the heart of Filipino cuisine. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping experience as we dive into the thrilling activities that the Philippines has to offer. This archipelago is a playground for adventure seekers, boasting some of the most breathtaking landscapes and vibrant marine life in the world. One of the top destinations for diving enthusiasts is the Tabataha Reefs Natural Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you can explore stunning coral reefs teeming with diverse marine species, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and even sharks. The crystal clear waters and vibrant underwater ecosystems make it a diver's paradise. If surfing is more your style, then Siargao is the place to be. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, this island offers world-class waves, particularly at Cloud 9, where surfers from around the globe gather to ride the swells. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to catch your first wave, Siargao has something for everyone. While these activities are exhilarating, it's crucial to prioritize safety and preparation. Always check weather conditions, use the right gear, and consider hiring local guides who know the area well. They can provide valuable insights and ensure a safe experience. We encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the adventure that awaits you in the Philippines. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean or riding the waves, these thrilling activities will create unforgettable memories and a deeper connection to this beautiful country. So, gear up and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. The Philippines is a country rich in culture and traditions, and there's no better way to experience this vibrant heritage than through its colorful festivals. These celebrations are a feast for the senses, showcasing the warmth and spirit of the Filipino people. One of the most famous festivals is Sinulog, held annually in Cebu City. This lively event honors the Santo Niño, or the Child Jesus, and features a grand parade filled with dancers in vibrant costumes, lively music, and intricate floats. The rhythmic beat of drums and the energy of the crowd create an unforgettable atmosphere that truly embodies the Filipino spirit. Another iconic festival is the Ati-Atihan, celebrated in Calabo, Aklan. Known as the mother of all Philippine festivals, Ati-Atihan is a week-long celebration that pays homage to the Santo Niño as well. Participants paint their faces with black soot and don colorful attire, dancing through the streets in a joyful display of devotion and cultural pride. The festival's significance lies not only in its religious roots, but also in its ability to unite communities and foster a sense of belonging. We encourage you to immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of these events. Experiencing a Filipino festival is more than just witnessing a celebration. It's about connecting with the local culture, meeting new friends, and creating lasting memories. So whether you're dancing in the streets of Cebu or joining the festivities in Aklan, you'll find that these cultural festivals are a true reflection of the heart and soul of the Philippines. As we wrap up our journey through the Philippines, let's take a moment to recap the incredible experiences we've explored together. We've wandered through iconic spots like Intramuros and Rizal Park, where history and culture come alive. We've unveiled hidden gems such as the Banaue rice terraces and Malapascua Island, showcasing the stunning natural beauty that the Philippines has to offer. We've also indulged in culinary delights, savoring traditional dishes like adobo and sinigang, and celebrated the vibrant atmosphere of cultural festivals like Sinulog and Ati-Atihan. Finally, we've embraced thrilling adventures, from diving in Tubataha reefs to surfing in Siargao. The Philippines is a treasure trove of diverse offerings, each destination telling its own unique story. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of rich culture, there's something for everyone in this beautiful archipelago. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the many facets of the Philippines and consider it for your next travel destination. If you enjoyed this journey with us, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with friends who might be interested in discovering the Philippines. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to leave a comment below. Explore our related content for more travel tips and insights, and let's continue this adventure together. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.